Hi guys, today we are going to learn about shapes. So I am going to start by teaching you about a circle. A circle has a radius, which is from the center point out to the edge of a circle, and the diameter is from one side of the circle through the center point all the way to the other side of the circle, as you can see here. If you are given the diameter and want to find the radius, you're going to plug the diameter in for D into this equation. And you're going to have, let's say in this case, the diameter equals 10. You're going to have 10 divided by 2, which equals 5. So the radius of the circle would be 5. If you are given the radius and want to find the diameter, then you are going to plug it into this equation. So let's say, for instance, the radius is 3. You're going to take 3 times 2, and the diameter of the circle would be 6. Because radius is half of the diameter. Now we're going to look at rectangles. You can see that a rectangle has 4 90-degree angles, or 4 right angles. It also has 2 sets of parallel sides. So here is one set of parallel sides, and here is the second set of parallel sides. Now you can see underneath I have a picture drawn of a square. A square, it can also be a rectangle because it has 4 right 90-degree angles, and it also has 2 sets of parallel sides. Here's one set, and here is the second set. Now we're going to look at trapezoids. A trapezoid has to have one set of parallel lines. So you can see in this drawing that here is one set of parallel lines. Now this is a different drawing of a trapezoid, but it also has one set of parallel lines. So it can be a trapezoid as well. Now I'm going to draw 2 pictures of a rhombus. A rhombus can look something like this, or it could also look like this. So in a rhombus, it's going to have opposite sides are parallel. So this side and this side are parallel, and this side and this side of the trapezoid are parallel. And on this one, this side and this side are parallel to each other, and this side and this side are parallel to each other. It also has opposite angles are the same angle measurement. So this angle is going to be the same as this angle, and this angle measurement is going to be the same as that angle measurement. Same goes for this. This angle measurement is going to be the same as this angle measurement, and this angle measurement is going to be the same as that angle measurement. And the last thing I want to talk to you about today is triangles. There are many different triangles, but the 2 ways you can define a triangle are by its sides and by its angles. So let's start with its sides. So let's say you're given a triangle with the sides 4, 5, and 6. You can see here that none of the sides of the triangle are the same. That means that the triangle is going to be a scalene triangle because none of its sides are the same. Now let's say you're given a triangle with the sides 4, 4, and 2. You can see here that 2 of the sides, this side and this side, are both 4. That means it's going to be a isosceles triangle because it has 2 sides the same length. And lastly, I want to show you a triangle with the sides 5, 5, and 5. You can see here that all the side lengths are the same. So that means it's going to be an equilateral triangle. Because all of the sides are the same length. Next, we are going to look at triangles defined by their angles. So let's say you're given a triangle with the angle measurements of, let's say, 59 degrees, 60 degrees, and 61 degrees. All of these angle measurements are under 90 degrees. That means it's going to be an acute triangle because all its angles is less than 90 degrees. Next, we're going to look at a triangle with a right angle or 90 degrees. That means it's going to be a right triangle because it has one 90-degree angle. And lastly, we're going to look at a triangle with an angle measurement of 110. So let's say this angle's 110 degrees. That means it's going to be an obtuse triangle because it has one angle measurement greater than 90 degrees. And that's my lesson on shapes. Thank you for watching.